off on the trip now. We're gonna go on the tractor. Got some people behind me, man. I don't want to take photos of people that haven't given me permission to do it yet, because it's not going to be very fair. But it is what it is. Okay, trip's over, guys. We'll see you. Be nice. So do you remember our first selection? The selection of wine.
This is Merlot, Natage, Shiraz Rosé, Sauvignon Blanc, and then the MCCs.
It's really, really, really. Apparently, it was very burny.
Burny.
I hit the wrong spot. Like a little place this, I must say. Part of the job, eh? Come out to these nice places like wine farms. Can do wine tasting, brandy tasting, gin, and then market it off to you guys, that you guys come in and you can enjoy it as well. You know, it's freaking awesome, man. Look at the horse.